Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today we will take a new chapter that is Indigo. So, my dear students, let us understand this chapter with the help of summary. I hope you will be paying attention and listening to me very carefully. So, my dear students, like every time, this time as well, let us understand the title of the story that is Indigo. Indigo means नील की खेती. And this chapter is actually related the life of Mahatma Gandhi. How did he reach Champaran and how did he fight just for the poor peasants of Champaran? How did he favor all the peasants of Champaran? Let us know about this. So, my dear students, this chapter is written by लुइस फिशर. तो ये चैप्टर लुइस फिशर ने लिखा है. अब लुइस फिशर को महात्मा गांधी के बारे में कुछ लिखना था. ही वांटेड टू राइट समथिंग अबाउट महात्मा गांधी. तो लिखने के लिए लुइस फिशर महात्मा गांधी से मिलने के लिए गए. तो यहाँ पर ये देखिए दिया हुआ है. लुइस फिशर met Gandhi at Sevagram in 1942 and asked him. So, as I told you that he wanted to write something about Mahatma Gandhi, right? So, in order to write something, uh, he went to Sevagram and met Gandhi. तो देखिए बेटा, like it was in 1942. लुइस फिशर 1942 में महात्मा गांधी के पास गए and knowing about his life, even he let Gandhiji know about that he wanted to write something about Gandhiji. Now let us see. In this picture you can easily see that there are Mahatma Gandhi and Louis Fisher. Louis Fisher asked, how did you urge the departure of British from India? तो यहाँ पर लुइस फिशर ने महात्मा गांधी जी से पूछा कि मीन्स हाउ डिड यू मैनेज, हाउ डिड यू अर्ज, कि तुमने कैसे उनसे, अर्ज बेसिकली रिक्वेस्ट करना होता है इन द सेंस ऑफ मेकिंग रिक्वेस्ट. तो लुइस फिशर ने गांधी जी से पूछा कि तुमने मीन्स हाउ डिड यू मैनेज, कि आपने ब्रिटिशर्स को यहाँ से कैसे उनसे प्लीड किया, उनको अर्ज किया दैट दे मस्ट गो फ्रॉम हियर. आई विल टेल यू हाउ आई अर्ज दैम, इट वॉज इन 1917. तो महात्मा गांधी जी रिप्लाई किया कि मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा, आई विल टेल यू. So Gandhiji replied that he would tell that how did he urge them to leave India, and it happened in 1917. Let us proceed, my dear students. Story of Gandhi reaching Champaran. So we will be knowing that how did he reach Champaran, and it was in 1917. Rajkumar Shukla was an ordinary peasant. Here comes a character that is Rajkumar Shukla, and he came from Champaran and he was one of the poor peasants. तो चंपारण का एक गरीब किसान था एंड जो गांधी जी से मिलने के लिए आया था, एक्चुअली उनको कन्विंस करने के लिए आया था. He came to Gandhiji and tried very hard to persuade him to go to Champaran and got them justice. तो राजकुमार शुक्ला एक बहुत ही ऑर्डिनरी एक पीजेंट था, एक मामूली सा एक किसान था. He was a sharecropper at Champaran. So like many sharecroppers, like many poor farmers, he was one of them. तो ये एक बटाईदार किसान था चंपारण में. He had complained to many in vain about the sharecropping exploitation. तो जब ये बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान था, when he was very much exploited, when he was very much bothered, तो इन्होंने इस चीज़ की कंप्लेन बहुत से लोगों से की अबाउट द शेयर क्रॉपिंग एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, कि इनके साथ कहीं ना कहीं फसल को लेके शोषण हो रहा है. So someone suggested him to speak to Gandhi. So in Champaran there would have been somebody who suggested Rajkumar Shukla to reach Gandhiji and try to convince him just to reach Champaran and solve their problems related sharecropping. Let us proceed. Appointment by Gandhi. So there was an appointment given to Rajkumar Shukla by Gandhi. Gandhi was impressed by the tenacity of Rajkumar Shukla. The thing happened, राजकुमार शुक्ला जब गांधी से मिलने के लिए आए थे तो कई दिनों तक वो गांधी जी का पीछा करता रहे. एक्चुअली गांधी जी के पास टाइम नहीं था. दैट टाइम Gandhi ji was very much busy somewhere in meetings and he couldn't meet him properly. So wherever Gandhi ji went, so he also went after him. तो ये भी राजकुमार शुक्ला भी उनके पीछे ही जाते रहे. Means he was not tired. He kept on following him wherever he went. Gandhi told Shukla to meet him at Calcutta. तो गांधी जी ने शुक्ला को बताया that he must come to Calcutta and meet him, कि वो कलकत्ता आ जाए और उनसे मिल ले. On the appointed date, Shukla was seen waiting for Gandhi at Calcutta. तो जो भी डेट फिक्स हुई थी, on the fixed date, Rajkumar Shukla arrived over there and he had been waiting for Gandhi. तो उनका वो इंतज़ार कर रहा था. Means as soon as he got free from his meeting, कि जैसे वो मीटिंग से फ्री हो जाएंगे that he would meet गांधी जी. He traveled with Rajkumar Shukla to Champaran and met Rajendra Prasad. So after being free from his meetings, they both traveled to Champaran and met Rajendra Prasad. तो दोनों महात्मा गांधी एज वेल एज राजकुमार शुक्ला वो चंपारण के लिए रवाना हुए बाय ट्रेन से. एंड एट फर्स्ट आफ्टर रीचिंग ओवर देयर दे वांटेड टू मीट राजेंद्र प्रसाद. वो राजेंद्र प्रसाद से वो मिलना चाहते थे. Servants misunderstand Gandhi. So my dear students, when they both reach the house of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, so that very time he was out of the station. He was not there actually. तो राजेंद्र प्रसाद उस समय घर पर नहीं थे. So let us know the reaction of the servants towards Mahatma Gandhi as well as Rajkumar Shukla. So as soon as they reach Dr. Rajendra Prasad house, seeing Gandhi with a peasant, servants thought Gandhi to be another peasant. तो जैसे ही नौकरों ने राजकुमार शुक्ला के साथ महात्मा गांधी जी को देखा तो उन्होंने समझ लिया कि ये भी कोई किसान ही है. Because all the servants already knew that peasant. I mean राजकुमार शुक्ला. राजकुमार शुक्ला को वो पहले से जानते थे because many times he had already been there at Dr. Rajendra Prasad house. Means like they acquainted him. वो पहले से उसको जानते थे. So my dear students, enough for the day. I hope you understand it.